Good day! Me, Ryan J. Kitil, and my partner, Mark Josan Alipio, were given a task to make a program. We thought maybe a cooking program will be a good idea. So we made it and came up with this program, Cooking Guide. This is our program. It is the main program. And these four are the functions. This is the library of the main program. These are the function declaration. And these are the body of the program. For the function declaration, we have the return type, function name, and the parameter list. This will be the one that called the function outside the main program. The do while will allow the user to use the program in multiple retries. If, else if, and else condition is used so that if the condition is true, we'll call the function like the breakfast as indicated. If false, it will automatically jump into another statement. The process will continue until it finds the true statement. The else here, as you can see, has no condition. Why? Because if the condition above is all false, then the else will catch all the following false statements. If you choose a number above 3, in our program, it is false in the two Boolean statements. The else will automatically catch it. This is the place to put what will be done in the function outside the main program. The function, as you can see, has a different function declaration. The same process, you have the return type, function name, and parameter list. This is to call another function outside the program. The function has a program also that will call the function you declared above. It also had an if, else if, and else condition to make a decision. For further explanation, here is my partner to explain the remaining 3 functions of the program, the pseudocode, and how our program works in console.
Hello guys, Mark Joseph here. So the remaining function of this program are the available menus. They are generally used in functions breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So what we did is we declare a function within a function to make our program more organized. So let's say the user input 1 in the console. Then this function here will call the function breakfast here. Function name will call its body, which is function hamsilog, and execute whatever code is written in its body. So let's see how our program works. By the way, this is our pseudocode. There. Let's try to input 2 here. Then there it goes, lunch. Now the console is asking us what menu do we prefer. Let's say caldereta, so we put 3. So the following text shows us the ingredients and procedures in making caldereta. Do you want to try another recipe or menu? Let's press Y if yes, and N if no. So because of the do while loop, we users can retry the program over and over again. As long as we press Y if we encounter this question.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Hope that you like it.